Alright, hi everybody. I finally figured out how to make a YouTube video on PC. Isn't that amazing? Okay, hopefully you guys can see my screen. Can you guys, yes, I'm pretty sure you guys can see my screen. I'm like 40% sure out of 100 right now. Okay, so basically, alright, great. So now we're gonna play Forza. Okay guys, we're gonna play Forza. I like playing Forza, as you guys know. I'm sorry, like I said last stream, was very short on Forza. I said I started streaming more, and I don't know, like so many things are going on, like a million times more. Like, I know I say it a lot. You guys don't think I mean it. You guys aren't me. So yeah. Okay, so basically, like you guys know, we're gonna be playing Forza, yada yada. I'm broke now. I spent all my money on cars, which I do not regret buying. Like, I do not regret buying them at all. I hope you guys can see my screen right now. I have no clue. I don't even know if this thing's working. I do not know. Okay. Oh, I'm tired. This is one of the cars I bought. Oh yeah, I originally had that. No, tired. Okay, so okay. I got this thingy. I don't think you guys saw this today. I got this. I got this. I made this black, like, Dominic's from Fast and Furious. I don't know if last stream I had these two cars. Don't think so. Yeah. I won this. Oh yeah, the game just randomly gave me this Ultima. No clue. Then I found how much Fast and Furious car. You guys all know that. I got this thing. I don't think you guys saw it. It's so stupid, bro. The steering wheel's on the right side. It's supposed to be on the left. Seriously. Like, bro. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to use which experiment? I'm gonna use my Dodge Charger. How can it's my favorite. Bro, I killed to have one of these in real life. But if I had any car in real life, actually, it'd probably be 1970 Dodge Challenger in black with a supercharger on the front. Don't know if you guys know that. Well, I want it. Or a Demon. Yeah, probably a Demon. Those things are like 500 grand. So I don't think that can work. Alright, let's see if I can get a role-playing server. If I can, that'd be so good. I also want to. I've been doing a little bit of drag racing here and there. Yeah, I've already mastered everything. Okay, I'm just gonna go here so I can get over there quick. I finished the drag race or whatever on the highway with this car. I'm gonna redo it. This car again. This car is sick. I love it. Like, I used to hate the Dodge Chargers. Then I loved them, then I hated them. Then I'm like, damn, this game they're actually pretty quick. I'm like, I'm gonna start liking these cars again. Because let's face it, these things are like one of the coolest cars ever. I'm just not a big fan of the SRT. I don't. If you are a big fan of the SRT, you can already go and call yourself stupid. Just kidding, you guys can like whatever cars you want. This is just literally my favorite car. If I were to have two cars, it'd be the one I just said in this. Okay, so let's get over here. Finding a Horizon Live session. Let me just show you how quick this thing can go. I'm not gonna like try to like crash or anything. I see. I'm not trying to crash, but I just accidentally pressed E brakes. One of my favorite houses in this game are this right here. It's so simple, small, it's a tiny driveway. You can fit like one car. I love it. Hard roleplay. I choose this house. No one else did. I need me a trophy. I don't even know if I said it makes sense, to be honest. Oh yeah, you guys know that like fidget toy, like the pop tubes or whatever? Long story short. I'm stupid, so sometimes I do stupid things. So I rubbed it on my chin. I'm like, no big deal. Cause I like stretched out or whatever. And, I like 2 minutes later, I'm like, dang, that actually like really hurt. Nothing, no marks or anything. I wake up in the morning, ginormous, huge. It looks like a freaking hyena or something. Just like punched me, like right there, like 40 times. Not like punched, but like scraped me there. Like it's big. Like it's really big. Like I don't get it. Like it's not even that big of a deal. I do not even get it. So weird. If my parents interrupt, all my parents interrupted. So promised me they couldn't just leave me alone. So whatever. I'm gonna do the quickest car here. Oh yeah, it's this. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. I was versing people with Corvettes, Mustangs, like modern cars. See, that guy's a freaking Viper. Pretty sure. This guy also has it. Oh, someone else next to me has a Dodge Charger. Mine's quicker though, broski. Oh, yeah. That Corvette right now. Ooh. I'm still in first. Ryan, you got this. Okay, okay. Ryan, you got this. On this big turn, you'll wipe out a lot of people. For that Corvette, though, it's so annoying. Ryan, no, Ryan, do not let this guy in Corvette. Alright, good. I set the rewind my mistake there. Okay, good. That like sort of wiped them out. Now I'm about to win. The speed of like 200 miles an hour. Remember, it's like a modern muscle car. It's not a modern muscle car. It's not the quickest car in the world. Dodge Charger 15. There's only one other. There was a Dodge Demon? I just smoked a Dodge Demon this game song. Huh. I'm gonna restart and do it again. That's so much fun with me racing. I love drag racing. I'm still racing the same cars. Good. I think the Dodge Demon's all the way over there. No, it's over there. I don't see a Dodge Demon. Oh yeah, I do. Over there. Ryan, replay that. You should be looking behind you as you're driving. Ryan, can you replay them? Whatever. Can I just restart from the very beginning? That'd be great. Oh damn it. Okay. Okay, this isn't gonna go well. Damn it! That stupid pole, I need to avoid it. Yeah, alright. You're gonna need to do some off-roading here. That's where your skills kick in. Alright, everyone's ahead of me. Going like 100 miles an hour. More like 200. They're smoking me right now. I'm just yeah. Okay. That's a demon. The Corvette's falling in first. God. Why the hell is it spawning me inside of here? Like, seriously. Don't worry, guys. I'm just gonna restart this one more time. And I will kick some booty cheeks. I'm restarting because I was just I could look behind me and I crashed, so I'm restarting. Bro, I tried so hard to do that. Yeah, the car that I want. Okay, Ryan just will send it. The other charger next to me is just like, yeah, I'm quicker, and I take off. He's like, no. That's basically what I feel like's happening. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna just do swoopy. These kids are never gonna live in their. I'm gonna literally be sleeping in their nightmares. I want to try to buy one from an auction that's quicker. Because I don't have the option to like make my car quicker. I've already maxed it out for me. A lot of people use like mods and can modify their cars to get insanely quick. I'm smoking them right now. It's so funny. Okay, that was hilarious. You guys need to admit it. That was literally freaking hilarious. Okay. Okay. Feeling good. Like I should. Running over roundy. Ooh, the drag strip round 6. Let's go. Let's go. I don't care. Shut up, I really don't care. Dang, that is a really nice picture of my car. I never even realized. That looks like it. Like I said, I want to, blah, blah, like a new launch charger. Damn, I can't. I only have 17 grand. Trying to sell some cars. I'm auctioning this Huracan. People, please buy my cars, cause I'm broke. Ventador, I want to keep it, but I trade it all here. No, not worth it. Where's the auction thing? How much would I get? I'll take it. Where's the auction thing? You're joking. You know what? I don't even care about that car I got for free, so I'm selling it.